iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za iqela Kaizer Chiefs lihamba la eKapa labuya namanqaku amathathu ku league. Loo nto ithetha into yoba ke ngoku kwimidlalo elandelelanayo kumdlalo wamaZulu ngomgqibelo nalo mdlalo wanamhlanje ngobusuku bangolwesithathu iqela lamakhosi liphethe ingxowa egcwele amanqaku amathandathu kwimidlalo emibini ilandelelana. Umlandeli omkhulu ke weqela leKaizer Chiefs uChucks and Chucks ubona njani umdlalo? How do you feel about the game?
Yeah, you're smiling. Just to the legend iDiskiTV, so and alcohol. Still a work in progress. Trust the process. That's what Ntseki said before. So I'm indeed trusting the process. Good 3 points away from home. Not a beautiful game of football, especially from the first half. Yeah, first half, we're just playing, no direction, disjointed, disorganized on the field of play. But come second half, we saw a different football altogether. Let's give it to the players because, away from home, Stellenbosch, you know how tough Stellenbosch is. Remember, before this game, we played 8 games in Gulux. 4 draws, 2 wins from Amakosi, 1 win from Stellenbosch, and so forth. So, but now, again, at least now it's 3 games, all in all. So I'm happy for Amakosi. And what a great goal from Modi, Yeah, he scored, a brace before. Still scoring, then I think it's giving him even confidence going forward in Gulux. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's still work in progress in Gulux. We're not yet there. We are not at our best. Yes, as they say, if you can't play good football, what do? The only thing that you must know is just to win the games. How you win the game doesn't matter. Whether you score through penalty spot or anything, whatever comes. Even the changes that the coach has made in the second half, even the goal that we scored, Shabalala, square from Shabalala, it's a set piece from Shabalala, yes, to Saile, then Skyle put the ball in the back of the net. Saile as well, I think now is starting to realize and believe that he's wearing a Kaizer Chiefs jersey. Because sometimes this player, Saile, not Caleb. Caleb is no longer there, my friend. What we are waiting for is Gonzalez. Gonzalez, my friend. We are waiting for him.
I think not enough can be said about that goal. Pule Modi. Again, a very poor performance on the field of play in terms of taking on. Today was versus one of my favorite players in the PSL, Dino van Rooyen. It was between him. Pule Modi was on the left. Van Rooyen was on the right of Stellenbosch. And that duel he kept on losing, but he redeemed himself with a beautiful goal. That was a great goal.
Great goal from Modi. It was Modi and Mtanzani. Yeah. What a great passes for a combination from there. I'm still saying what a great goal. I don't think any keeper in South Africa will have saved that ball. Even if they did select you from Bafana, I don't think you will have made that save. So great goal from Modi. That I'm saying at least Modi now at least confidence here is coming back. We'll see what happens, and also great saves. Let's give it credit where it's due, my friend. You can put the mic so that we talk without the mic to make sure that what we give credit where it's due. I'm talking about Peterson. Peterson, great saves. First half and the second half from Renier. Just imagine. Ngulux, very, very close range. So I give it to him. He's making some saves. Yes, he made a mistake against Sundowns before, but we cannot crucify that guy. In football we make mistakes, but I can tell you he's putting us into the game all the time. So great save from him. That's what I'm saying. I'm giving it to him. And also, the only thing that I was worried about is on the right side, where there was Quinika. There was a little bit of problem there, especially in the first half. Yeah. I think they were putting pressure on him that side. He's not yet there. I know he's been in the setup for Makosi, but I think that side we're lacking something that side. But at least we've managed, to just to contain them, not to score in the first half. So I give it credit to the players. So I'm saying away from home is a moral booster when you go into the MTN 8. Yes, I mean, 3 points is 3 points, guys, and all the best. Come back safely. Let's continue where we left off in the coming game. We'll see what happens.
All right, last one. You speak about trusting the process. Can you trusting the process, but can you see where this road is leading you to? Where is it going? Now, what I mean by that is style of play. You're starting the ball from the back, but eventually someone hits it long, poof, and it goes forward. It doesn't look like this is something that they train. When you're starting from the back, it means that you're trying to be Man City or Sundowns, start from the back, or Barcelona, but your midfielder is going to be there to collect that ball, and then 2 of his midfield partners on the left or his right will provide options, and that's a team that plays from the back, and it plays football, puts the ball on the ground. You are trusting the process to a road leading to where?
No, and Gulux, when you talk about the process, the progress of the process in Gulux, it's hard sometimes to say, because if you check our midfield and the defenders, I think they don't complement each other. Yeah. I mean, whoever has got the ball, Msimango, then why ask yourself, where is Mtanzana, where is Castillo, where is Matt? Matt was nowhere to be seen. As I'm saying, I mean, if players are fit, if players, if you've got quality, people that knows what to do, especially from the training side of it. I don't like this kind of us saying, start from the back. I don't like it. I mean, there's a lot of mistakes that I've seen. We don't have to do that. We just have to play the game that we know how to play, so that we win the game. That's what I'm saying. How we win the game doesn't matter. But what I'm trying to say to Ntseki, tell the guys not to start the ball from the back, because it goes into it's very, very dangerous for us going to Sundowns game. So Guluk's part, that I'm saying, it doesn't matter how we win the game now. Doesn't matter how we play the game. As long as we put the ball in the back of the net. Because I can tell, I mean, we don't have ball players. We don't have players that can, play football. I know, I mean, the stat says against Stellenbosch, yes, we had great passes, we had even shot on targets, all those kind of things. But for Amako's perspective, the players that we have in Gulus, they can't play. It's not able to play football. They can't play football, even passes, maybe 10 passes or 11 passes together. So, that's what I'm saying. How we win the game doesn't matter. As long as we can take the ball from Peterson straight to the Bria, put the ball in the back of the net. How we win doesn't matter. As long as we will be in the final. Finish and clear, my friend. That's all.
Uthi kumlandela omkhulu we-Kaizer Chiefs uMasilo wakwaMachaka uthi noba badlala njani iyona nto ebalulekileyo into yoba ke bafumane indebe bayifake ke wardrobe yabo. Ukhumbule into yoba ke iqela lamakhosi lona qela elibalulekileyo eMzantsi Afrika, lona qela likhulu eMzantsi Afrika, kodwa ke okokuqala ezimbalini zangenzeka ke into yoba inyala elingaka elihlaselwe somzimba lento yoba bangaphumeleli indebe noba inye kwindebe ezikhoyo eMzantsi Afrika iminyaka esibhozo idiqenqeleke, 8 years without a trophy. So I suppose that's the logic now, to try and break the duck. Be very difficult, of course, to do that, given that they play Sundowns over 2 legs. But that's a story for another day. Today, Kaizer Chiefs defeated Stellenbosch in the DSTV Premiership to have 2 wins in a row. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, all sports betting. Thank you for watching.